Let's look at how we can talk about things that happened in the past but are still important now. This is the present perfect tense. What is the present perfect tense? Imagine you upgraded your computer software recently. The present perfect tense uses have or has for he, she, and it with the past participle of the verb, like upgraded, installed, downloaded, and so on. It helps us talk about things that happened in the past but are still relevant today. It's different from the simple past, which only talks about things completed in the past. Here's how it works. We use have or has followed by the past participle of the main verb. For example, I have installed a new antivirus program. I installed the antivirus program in the past, but the program still protects me now. We use for and since to say how long something has been happening. She has used this laptop for 3 years. She started using it in the past, and it's still her laptop now. We use the present perfect to talk about things that happened at an unknown time or did not happen yet. They have not yet completed the website design. The completion is still in the future. They haven't finished installing the updates yet. They will finish at some time in the future. We also use it to talk about several actions related to the present. I have downloaded several apps this week. You started downloading apps during this week and continue until this point. Perhaps you will continue for the rest of the week. Making it negative or asking questions. Just like in regular sentences, we use have not or has not with the past participle to make things negative. We have not updated the software yet. It will happen later. The meeting hasn't started yet. It will begin soon. To ask a question, we use the same pattern. Why haven't they saved the document? Why haven't you started those corrections? Why hasn't she arrived yet? The presentation starts in 5 minutes. Remember, the present perfect connects the past, that is what happened, to the present, that is what's still relevant.